Hello everyone.
The Electoral Commission of South Africa has confirmed receiving a letter from Umkhonto weSizwe Party founder Jabulani Khumalo requesting the removal of Jacob Zuma as its leader. In the letter circulating on social media, Khumalo insists that the position occupied by Zuma is his. In a statement on Tuesday, the IEC released a statement and said, in a statement on Tuesday, the IEC confirmed having received communication from Khumalo on behalf of the MK Party. The letter has also been circulated extensively on social media platforms. In that letter, Mr. Khumalo demands that the Electoral Commission should remove Mr. Zuma as the face of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and as the president of MK Party. The Commission reiterated its stance that it does not involve itself in the internal affairs of political parties, and said additionally the Commission only acts on instruction of the registered leader of the party. The IEC records show that Zuma is the registered leader of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This has been the case since 10 April 2024. In his submission to the IEC, Khumalo said he formed the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in 2023 but had now been removed as a president, and said, I registered with the IEC on 7 September 2023. Prior to the registration, I consulted for political advice and guidance with Jacob Zuma. At all times, it was always understood that Zuma is not a member of MK Party, but will assist it in the campaign. In fact, when he announced his decision to vote and campaign for MK Party on 16 December 2023, he made it clear he would remain a member of the ANC. On 23 April 2024, I was informed that I had been removed as the president of the party. I was told Zuma would become the president. Khumalo said he did send a letter to the IEC confirming Zuma will be the face of the party. However, at no point did he confirm he will be the president of the party. The IEC's response is another win for the former president, ANC leader who has won every legal battle challenging the party. However, the party will face off with the IEC in the Constitutional Court on Friday. This after the Electoral Court ruled against the Commission's decision to remove Zuma from the MK parliamentary list, citing his 15-month prison sentence. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.